Unit 2, Lesson 4, Calculating Percent. They are saying to calculate a percent of a quantity, we need to. There's two steps. Write the percent as a decimal. Calculate the decimal value of this quantity. And there is a small example. And in this example, as you can see, it's saying find the 140% of $850. So in this case, what I need to find is step number 1. Step number 1 is saying calculate the percent as a decimal. So if I have 140%, how can I transfer this to a decimal? Very simple. I can say 140 over 100, which means I divide the 140 by 100. And as you know, when I divide by 100, I look where is the decimal point. The decimal point of 140, it's at the end. I need to move 2 steps to the left, so it's going to be 1.4. This is the decimal. Step number 2, it's saying calculate the decimal value of the quantity. The quantity that I have, it's $800.50. So to calculate the decimal value, that means I take the 1.4 and I multiply it by the amount or the quantity, which is $850. And now I use my calculator and I say I have $850. If I multiply it by 1.4, which means the 140%, I will get 1,190. $1,190. Someone will tell me, wow, this number is very large if I compare it to the original one, which is $850. If you think logically, it's right. Why? Because we are talking about, if you look to the example, 140% of $850. That means it passed already the 100%, which is 850, and you add to this amount another 40%, which is very close to the half of it, which means, let's say around, you can say 400. 400 and 850, it's close to 1200, which means I am doing great job here. $1,190 is correct. So when you see this amount is larger than the original, that means I have to pass the 100%. If it's less than 100%, in this case it has to be smaller than 850. Excellent. Let's go to next step. There is a small note here. When we write the percent as a decimal, we need to know that the 100% means 1. And from where we got this 1? It's very simple. The 100% mean 100 over 100. That's why I got 1. What about the 10%? 10% means 10 over 100. If I simplify 0 with 0, I will get 1 over 10, which means 0.1. Very logic. The third one, I'm saying 1%. 1% means what? Means 1 over 100. That means 0.01. Excellent. Let's see a real example. We have a question here. It's saying 55 students signed up for the school play. When we are saying 56, not 55, 56 students sign up for the school play, which means what? 56 students. These students, the word student here means boys and girls. Before I even read the continuous of this question, this is my conclusion. 56 students means boys and girls. They are saying about 34% of these students were boys. So if I need to find the boys, I calculate the 34% of the total, which is 56. So if I continue, I will find the third line saying at the auditions only 31 31 girls attended. So we are talking about girls. So if I have 34% of boys, why I don't calculate the girls before I continue my questions? So again, if 34% are boys, how can I find the percentage of girls? Very easy. I say 100% minus 34%, it will give me the percentage of girls. So as you can see, 66% are girls. Why? Because 100 minus 34 equal 66%. Excellent. The 66% of the total, which is 56 students, are girls. Why we don't find the number of girls? So the number of girls. Let's see how many students or how many girls signed up for the school play. That means 66% of, can you see the word of here? I transferred to multiplication of the 56 students in total. That means I transfer the percentage as a decimal. So 66 divided by 100 times 56. Or I can transfer it to a decimal, which means 0.66 times 56. So let's use my calculator. 66% of 56. That means 0.66 times 56 equal 36.96. For sure, I cannot say I have 36.9 girls. So in this case, I need to or to round down or to round up. So when I have 36.9 is very close to 37. So I can say that I have 37 girls. And this 37 girls, they signed up. If you look to the beginning of the question, signed up. Now, they are saying at the auditions, only 31 girls attended. And the question is, what percent of the girls who signed up for the play attended the auditions? Wow. Now, I will do the reverse of what I'm doing at the beginning. I have in total 37 girls. These 37 girls, they signed up. But I have 31 girls, they attended to the auditions. They need to know the percentage of the 31 girls, of the total of the number of the girls. What percent of the girls who signed up for the play attended the audition. So that means I don't care about the 56 because 56 is boys and girls. I care about the 37 girls that they signed up, but 31 only attended the audition. So to find this, I have a strategy for you. We can do it with this way. I'm seeing the 37 girls. This is the whole amount of girls that they signed up. That means the total, that means 100%. The 37 is 100%. Now, if only 31 attended to the audition, how many of this percentage attended to the audition? So this is something very important to know how to do it. If I have only 31 only from the 37, how can I find this percentage? So that's why we are saying what? We can take the 31 and multiply it by 100, divide by 37. So 31 times 100 divided by 37. Someone will tell me, what are you doing? If you see here, I have 1, 2, 3 terms known, and I have 1 unknown. So I multiply the two known, 31 by 100, and I divide by the 37, which means it's gonna give me 31 of 37, and I'm looking for the percentage. So if you compare this with the way of the questions, it's right. We need what percent of girls who signed up for the play attended the audition. Again, this is the girls that they signed up. This is the girl that they attend, and this is a percentage. So this is what I'm looking for. So again, I'm gonna go to my calculator and I'm gonna say the 31 of 37 they attend. I need to find this percentage. I will get 83.7. Again, 83.7 is not gonna work with number of people, so I round it up to 84. That means I have 84% of the girls that they signed, they participate or they attended to the audition. And if you look to it, it's logic. Why? Because 31 from 37 is very close. So 84, yes, it's high percentage. And the 37, if you divide it by 2, it's almost about 18. So we passed the half. 31 is more than the half. So that means 84 is passing the half, which means passing the 50%. So this is how we can answer the questions. We have to find the percentage of girls first who signed up, and after that we can compare the 31 girls attended to the total, which is 37 of girls, to get the percentage 84. So this was Unit 2, Lesson 4. See you on Unit 2, Lesson 5. Thank you.